Hi, this is Cindy Morus from Business Profits on Demand. Today I'm going to answer the question, why do I have so much business, but I'm still burned out and broke? Now, the economy is really good right now, and I'm hearing this from a lot of businesses. Automotive repair, restaurants, attorneys, all sorts of businesses are finding that they have plenty of business, but they're still not taking much home at the end of the day. So how much would you like to take home? Another 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, even more? Let's see how we can do it. So one of my favorite sayings is that small changes equals big results, and that's what I'm going to show you. So here we have an automotive repair shop, a little bit of their P&L. I rounded the numbers, they're not exact, to help us here with our math. So their original revenue number was $250,000. And if we apply the 5-5-5 principle, we're going to increase revenue by 5%. And in another video, I'll talk to you more about how you can do that. But we're looking to increase the revenue 5%, which is about $12,000. Now, in cost of goods sold, we're going to decrease that by $5,000. So that's about $5,000. And we can see that our gross profit has now gone up $16,850. So let's take out our overhead. So before it was $97,000, we are going to work to reduce that number by 5%, which takes us down to $92,000. And altogether, our net income now has increased $21,700. And this all goes right home to you if you want it to. So we're going to look to increase 5% for revenue, decrease our cost of goods by 5%, overhead by 5%, and increase our profits by lots and lots and lots. And this is the very first thing that I do with all my clients. So small changes equals big results, and you'll be sleeping like a baby. Now, if you would like me to take a look at your numbers, I just need 4 pieces of information to give you a 5-5-5 estimate, and I'll show you how you compare it to others in your industry. So just text 555 to 916-721-2008. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be putting lots more up there. You can just do a search for Cindy Morus and I'll come right up. And I want to wish you a very profitable day. This is Cindy Morus from Business Profits on Demand.